Hi, my name is Hala, and today we are going to assemble multi-layered Bolshoi theater tunnel card. It has 136 details, but it's so easy and fun to do. All my designs in digital format you can find in my Etsy store. There you can buy not only Studio3 or SVG files, but also DIY paper kits consisting of already cut details for quick assembly. I live in Russia, but I ship worldwide. Let's start with the first layer. Attach small magnets to the drawn circles. Then glue this stripe to the bigger one and fix it on the base. Top part of this layer consists of two identical triangles and carved decoration. Similar decorations go to the left and to the right. Place short stripe below the peak and attach the carved ribbon. Glue columns aligning to the big stripe edge and then place all its decorations. Use special connecting details to put layers together. Please note that the first layer connecting details differ from the rest. Also, there are right and left oriented connections. Assemble curtains and glue them to the connecting parts, but don't overlap score lines, otherwise it wouldn't function. Apply glue to the side holders and attach connecting parts to the first layer. And let's assemble the second layer. It also has two striped bottom and the peak, this time consisting of thick and thin triangles. If your cutting results aren't perfect and the reverse side of the card looks ragged, use this window stripe to hide this. Assemble curtain folds and put them to the top of the layer. Fold side holders and glue the second layer to the base. To assemble all another layers, follow the same routine. Fix connecting parts and glue a layer with corresponding details. Try to do this very accurately. Make sure that all ends are absolutely flat. From the side it should look like this. When the base is ready, let's attach the cover. Fold the score lines, apply glue only to the last segment, and fix it to the back of the card, aligning to the bottom edge. Then attach the message card pocket, applying glue only to its edges. Close the cover firmly and put magnets on their places. Then cover them with the bottom stripes. Use drawn columns as guidelines for the real columns. Glue them to the cover and decorate with small details. And your magical tunnel card is ready! There are many other fun projects which you can buy in my Etsy store or order from my Instagram page. All links you will find down below. Have a nice day and happy crafting! Bye!